gonna try to get in here.
This incident highlights the risks that emerge when an adult driver makes reckless decisions with juveniles in the vehicle.
Mom, I love you. The police got me.
A sergeant with the Pierce County Sheriff's Department located a stolen vehicle that local officers were also trying to find. When a traffic stop was initiated, the 21-year-old driver fled, leading officers on a pursuit. It was later confirmed that 3 juveniles, ages 12, 13, and 16, were inside the vehicle.
I'm gonna try to get in here.
The sergeant attempted a pit maneuver, but the roadway was too narrow, causing the patrol vehicle to slide into a ditch.
Hey, I'm out of it, and I'm gonna need a tow to get me out of the ditch here at Stewart and 66th. I'm okay. I am okay.
Other officers picked up the pursuit as the suspect vehicle fled again. The chase ended when the vehicle became stuck in a ditch.
Running southbound through, what is this? I'm in my car. 56th Avenue East. Now running through the backyard. You're gonna get bit by a dog! Oh, you're gonna get bit by a dog! You're gonna get bit by a dog, dude! Show your hands right now! You're gonna get bit by a dog! Get down! He was reaching, I got it proned out here in the backyard. There's at least 2 more in the car. Keep your hands out to your side. Hands out to your side. Hands out to your side, dude.
I'm going to jail. I'm going to jail. Mom, I love you. The police got me.
Puyallup 364. I'm just to the west of that fire station here.
Sir?
Keep your hands out to your side, dude.
Can I just stand up? I'm not going nowhere, I promise.
I'm standing by for a unit. I just haven't proned out.
Mom, I love you.
Hands. Dude, out to your side.
That's nothing, I promise. I don't got nothing but my phone.
I'm in the field in the bushes. Hey, hands out to your side, dude.
I'm not doing nothing wrong, sir. I'm just looking at you. I don't have no weapons on me. Mom,
Just stay chill, dude.
I love you.
Can you cuff it for me? I got lethal.
Can you get a hold of my girlfriend, bro? I don't know if she probably
Stop talking.
Hey, you got me. I love you. I love you. You're hanging up my phone.
Puyallup 364. The driver is detained.
I love you, Mama.
Responding units located the 3 juveniles who had fled. Based on their condition and the circumstances, they were suspected of being under the influence of alcohol or another substance.
Hold it down, baby. I love you. I love you. I'm going to jail.
What's that?
So y'all didn't shoot me. That's all that matters.
Well, you are rolling around letting minors drink and smoke alcohol in a stolen vehicle.
It's not what you think, though.
It seems exactly like what I said.
Listen, sir. No, it's not. Because they all put listen, they was already in the car together, and I needed a ride.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had a little bit. I already had I had a bottle earlier of Escalon. And that was like a 3.75 mil.
Okay. What's this I hear about you doing cocaine?
I did a little earlier.
How old are you?
I'm 21, sir.
You're rolling around with 12 and 13-year-olds?
No, it's
That's not good, dude. All
right. It's not what you think, bro.
The 21-year-old driver was booked into the Pierce County Jail on multiple charges, including possession of a stolen vehicle, attempting to bribe an officer, DUI-related offenses, eluding, and reckless endangerment involving juveniles. Investigators noted damage to the vehicle's ignition and located containers of alcohol inside the car. None of the juveniles, officers, or bystanders were injured. Incidents like this highlight how quickly things can get complicated. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing for more policing activities from across the nation.